Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on DORO 8100. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And here you can choose your default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now, and here you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click not now again. And now your Firefox browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.